Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, as we have completed our chapter number 4 in grammar using of a or an, we have learnt how we use and where we use a or an. Yesterday, I sent a video, and in this video, I hope you must have learnt how you use the in sentence. So, I hope you must have cleared this topic. Today we will read new topic, the rain. Today we will read new topic, the rain. So before going to start our chapter, I'm asking one question. What's the question is? When you listen rain, so any feelings, any thoughts comes in your mind? Yes. What feelings and what thoughts comes in your mind? Everyone wants to play in rain. Everyone wants to play in rain. And when it rains, then what happened? What happened? Yes, weather becomes pleasant. Weather becomes pleasant and cold wind blows. So we feel very pleasant that time. In this poem, The Rain, there is a little boy. In this poem, The Rain, there is a little boy who talks about rain. Who talks about rain. When it rains, then he uses umbrella to keep safe him from rain. He uses umbrella to save him from rain. And when raining stops, then sun appears in the sky once again and flowers grows everywhere once again. Okay, students, so when raining stops and sun appears in the sky once again, then everywhere flower grows. And what happened? Yes, sunlight is also spread everywhere, and sometimes we see also rainbow in the sky. When rains stop and sun appear in the sky, then sometimes we see rainbow in the sky also. So before going to start our chapter, first we will know some pronunciation of some words. We will know pronunciation of some words, because correct pronunciation is must to reading. Because correct pronunciation is must to reading. So let's start. P-I-T-T-E-R, P-A-T-T-E-R. It's Peter Patter. Once again, P-I-T-T-E-R, P-A-T-T-E-R. Peter Patter. Okay, students, when it rains, then and the raindrops comes on the ground, then it makes sound Peter Patter. Okay, students, so what is Peter Patter? When raindrops comes on the ground, then it makes sound Peter Patter. Peter Patter. Now R-A-I-N-D-R-O-P-S. It's raindrops. R-A-I-N-D-R-O-P-S. Raindrops. F-A-L-L-I-N-G. It's falling. F-A-L-L-I-N-G. Falling. D-R-Y. Dry. D-R-Y. Dry. G-L-O-W. It's glow. G-L-O-W. It's glow. Now next one is G-R-O-W. It's grow. Once again, listen carefully. GLOW, it's glow, and GROW, it's grow. So there is differentiation between both words. Okay, glow and grow. Next one is START, it's start. START, it's start. SAFE, safe. BEGINS, begins. Once again, BEGINS, begins. RAIN, rain. Once again, PITTER, Peter. PATTER, Peter patter. Peter patter. RAIN DROPS, rain drops. FALLING, it's falling. DRY, dry. GLOW, glow. GROW, grow. START, start. SAFE, safe. BEGINS, begins, and RAIN, rain. Okay students, so once again you will read these words, then we will start our chapter. Goodbye, have a nice day.